Hey, welcome back, guys. So today on this video, we are talking about Propwire, and more specifically, I'm going to quickly answer a question I keep getting a lot on my other video, and that is, how do you save a search in Propwire? So let's go ahead and talk about this. First off, guys, real quick video, not too many steps involved, so be sure to stick around to the end of the video. But why would you want to save a search in Propwire anyways? Well, that's pretty easy. If you're a real estate investor, you probably have an idea of the types of properties that you like to buy, and instead of adding those filters in every time to search, you can save that search, so that way each time you log into Propwire, you can click one button and search all the ideal properties for you. Whatever the case is, it's a pretty easy process. It's handled here in your Propwire dashboard. Check my video description. I'll try to leave the written instructions there as well. But I've already logged into my Propwire, and this is the home screen. Now here on the home screen, first you want to set up your search parameters. These are the searches that you're going to save. So for today, let's say that maybe I like to go after out-of-state owners. So let's go ahead and maybe I'll go ahead and choose a county, or let's go ahead and just use this Clark County, Washington. Okay, you can see there's about 175,000 properties. That's too big of a list for me to search. So I'm going to click here on lead types, and I'm going to scroll down to out of state owners. Okay, it looks like there's about 10,000 results, so that's still too large of a list. So I'm going to click here property types, and let's do single family, and let's go ahead and estimated value up to, let's say 500,000. So that drops it down to 2,800, and you can keep adding in more and more filters. Once you have all the filters, you're going to click right here, save search. Once you do that, go ahead and name the search. Usually I'm going to go ahead and save it out of the parameters. So let's say Clark County, Washington, 500K max SFR out of state owners. Okay, next you can choose to check this box. I usually do this if I'm watching an area, I'm farming an area, I'm waiting for something to pop up. I'll usually click it, and that way I can receive an email notification that something showed up in my farming area that fits those parameters. I'm not going to do that for this video. So what I'm going to do next, click save and close. Okay, now a quick second later, the page has this pop up, your search has been saved. So I'm going to close this out. So now the next time I come into Propwire, I don't really need to add in all these filters. What I can do is I can click right here on this little person icon here on the top. Once you click there, you're going to see this drop down menu, and you want to look for this button here, saved searches. Okay, so now you can see all of the saved searches that I have right here. So again, instead of typing out and entering all of these parameters, I can just come in here, and then I can click right here, view results. That's all I need to do. And it's going to go ahead and automatically add in all the parameters we had before. Okay, quick second later, you see it automatically loads. So as you can see right here, it's 2,835 on this particular list, which is the same as it was before. But if we come back in here, let's say next year, this number is going to change because it's going to pull up the most recent search for those search parameters. So there you have it, guys. If you're wondering how to save a search in your Propwire, that's the easiest way I know how to do it. If you know an easier way, be sure to leave a comment below. Let the rest of us know how you did it. Hopefully you found that video useful. If so, click thumbs up, or maybe consider subscribing to my channel, and I hope to see you on the next video. Thanks again for watching.